y'all, it's the Mobile Home Mama, giving you a nice view of our office. There's our office. Here's a look at our lot. I've got a glammed up Thrifty I'm going to show you today. It's a 2023 model. All of these homes out here are bought and sold, ready to ship out, guys. This is a pretty big operation we got going on. Check out this Thrifty. Oh my gosh, I have never seen anything so cute. This is a 1-bedroom, 1-bath, 14 by 32. Look at this thing. This would be perfect for a lake cottage or a hunting cottage. And when we get inside, it just is extravagant. I am so happy with this. If you've seen some of my other videos, you remember I did a video of a stretched Thrifty before. And in that video, I had put an island. And we got the same thing going on here, but it's gonna get even cuter than that, guys. Let's go check it out inside. What? Shut the front door. Look at this. Actually, I am gonna shut the front door, but check this out. This is normally seems like a pretty tiny home, but look at all the room you have in here. The island just makes such a huge difference. They even put a farmhouse sink in here. Talk about glamorous. Let's get a little closer. We've got upgraded stainless steel appliances. They did a ceramic backsplash there in a torcello grigio pattern. Sounds very Italian. Look at this. It looks like they also put two 30 by 61 side by side. Normally, one of those windows is actually on the other side, so they must have just moved the window. We can do that. If you have a window, so it must have been on that wall right there, guaranteed. If you have a side, maybe against this side was gonna be some neighbors or something and they didn't wanna look at them, that is, happens quite often in this industry. We can move the window across the street, across the room. Look at this, so cute. This home is in the lower 40s. So people go out, they drop $80,000, $90,000, $100,000 on an RV. Why not get one of these cute little houses and put it in a permanent spot in an RV park? This is the bathroom. 60-inch tub shower combination. Vanity with the 3-bulb light switch up there. Going down the hallway, we're gonna run right into the back door here. Right across the hallway from that is gonna be your furnace and your water heater. Back in the master bedroom, they even put washer dryer cabinets in here. I am so impressed with this house. It's small, but it's cute. We can do it real big or we can do it tiny. I'm the Mobile Home Mama. My phone number's below. Give me a call. Come check things out.